Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Naki and this is Cook with Naki. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. On today's recipe, we're making another juice video. This is pineapple and beetroot. Let's get started. And I have my pineapple here. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut the peel off. If you love pineapple, then you're gonna love this drink. I feel like you can never go wrong with pineapple. It's just so good. It tastes really good. I'm done taking off the peel from the pineapple, and I'm just gonna cut this into like smaller pieces because we're gonna blend this. This pineapple was so good. It was tasty, sweet, and I couldn't like control myself. I was eating it, and my husband came around. I was like, "Oh, this is good too." So we were like eating the pineapple, and at the point we had to like stop because we needed that pineapple for the juice. Yeah. And I have my beetroot here. It's all washed and clean, and I'm just gonna peel off the skin too. You could blend it with the skin if you prefer, but I like to just take the peel off. If you have a juicer, so easy. You just have to just put it in the juicer and you're ready to go. I'm cutting this into smaller pieces, so it's easier for me to blend. I have some ginger roots. This is optional, but it just brings some kick to the juice, and I love that that kick, that taste to it. But if you don't, you don't have to. But if you love ginger, just add a little bit. And yeah, everything is ready. I have my beetroot, my pineapple, and my ginger roots. I'm gonna blend all this together. Because the pineapple has a lot of liquid in it, so I didn't need any like extra water to help the blender to blend the stuff. It was easy to blend. And this is the outcome. See how thick that is? Yeah. So I added water to the blender and rinse it and pour it back into it. You can choose not to, but I feel like I needed more water because it was too thick. Otherwise, I'm not gonna get enough juice. If you want a smoothie-like texture, you don't need to use the cheesecloth to strain it. You're ready to drink it like that. But because I want mine like in a juice form, more of like a lighter texture, I prefer using the cheesecloth because it's able to like take just the juice and discard the chaff. If you don't have a cheesecloth, you could use a fine strainer, and I think you should be good to go. And yeah, I'm gonna strain everything, and we're gonna see the outcome in a minute. So this is what I got after I strained everything, and yeah, as usual, because of the pineapple and blending, there's always foam, and yeah, I don't want the foam, so I'm gonna discard it by using a strainer to like take it off. But if you do, yeah, you could have it, but I just don't like the foam on top, so this is what I use to discard it. And this is the consistency I have. Perfect for me. If you want it really lighter, you could add more to it. And I'm going to be adding some lemon to it just for that citrusy taste. I love lemon, so yeah, I love it in juices like this. But if you don't, you don't have to, but if you do, try it and you're gonna love it. I'm adding my lemon juice to it, and that's it. Our juice is ready. All I'm doing right now is just mixing it to make sure everything is well mixed together. No sugar added, because of the pineapple is still sweet. You don't need any sweetener for this. You could add more water if you prefer, and this is so good. Trust me on this. Anything pineapple is really good. And our pineapple and beetroot juice is ready. This juice has a lot of good health benefit. The pineapple, the beetroot, the lemon, the ginger, no sugar added. Everything is natural and it tastes really good. And yes, this day it was so hot, so I needed some ice. And trust me, it was so refreshing. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I know you're gonna love it. Until I come your way next time, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It helps your sister a lot. And please like this video if you did. This is Cook with Naki. Be good to yourself, be good to everyone. It goes a long way.